Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the ONGC Finance and Accounts last year paper analysis. So we will talk about the last year paper of ONGC Finance and Accounts. So let's start the video. Friends, ONGC Finance and Accounts exams last year paper was held on 17th October 2021 and it was of 150 marks. So this year also the computer test is of 150 marks and out of which 80 marks was of technical syllabus and 70 marks was related to non-technical syllabus. So for this video purpose we will analyze this technical syllabus 80 marks only, and if you want to practice for ONGC Finance and Accounts exam for this year exam, you can visit Finance MCQ website. The link is given in the description box and you can use the coupon code to get ₹100 off on your course price. So do avail this opportunity. Now let's start and discuss the analysis of last year paper. So friends, your technical syllabus 80 marks, I have break it out into different subjects. So your total 80 marks, out of which 21 questions were asked from your law section, 15 questions were there from accounts, 12 questions from costing, 10 from income tax, and like this 6 questions from your Companies Act, then 6 questions from financial management topics, 4 questions were there from audit, 4 questions from GST, and 2 questions from customs were asked in your last examination. Now let's talk about which all topics were asked in law section. So for law section, out of total 21 questions, 3 questions were related to SEBI regulations, 3 questions were there from oil field regulations. Since the exam is of ONGC, so some questions were there from Oil Field Regulations Act. Then 2 questions were there from foreign contributions regulation, and apart from that there is also FEMA is also there in the syllabus, so there are the chances that this year questions can be asked from FEMA. Then 2 questions were there from Indian Contract Act, then 2 questions from IT Act, and 2 questions from Negotiable Instrument Act, then Payment of Gratuity 2 questions, EPF Act 1 question, Foreign Trade Policies 1 question were there, and 1 question from Insolvency, Sales of Goods and Oil Industry Development Act were there. So these are your some of the important law topics that you need to prepare for your this examination. Now from account section, out of total 15 questions, 3 questions were asked from acquisition topic. So acquisitions will also cover your mergers, demergers, reconstructions, etc. So like that 3 questions were there. These are not in detail questions, just surface level questions. Then 2 questions were asked from ICI valuation standard, 2 questions from Ind AS 1, that is your presentation Ind AS, then 1 question from advisory committee on expense on petrochemical plant, then basic questions from accounts were also asked, then 1 questions from bills of exchange. This bills of exchange is related to a Negotiable Instrument Act, then 1 questions from ESOP, then ICI guidance note on oil and gas producing activities, then Ind AS 106, that is basically related to oil and gas exploration. So 1 question asked from that, then Ind AS basic question 1 question was there, and 1 question from preparation and presentation of financial statement, basically schedule 3 statement, etc. 1 question were asked. So like this total 15 questions were asked in your accounts section in last year examination. Now the costing section, out of 12 questions that they have asked, 3 questions were related to cost audit standards, then 2 questions from budget and budgetary controls were asked, then 2 questions from standard costing, then 1 questions each from your basic costing question, then break even point question were also asked, then cost accounting principles and cost accounting standards 1 questions were asked, and 1 question from relevant costing were also asked. So like this your 12 marks are covered from your these topics. Then from income tax, out of total 10 questions, 2 questions were related to deduction sections, then 2 questions from TDS, then 1 question each from your basic income tax question, then corporate tax planning, then forms and returns 1 question, 1 was there scrutiny assessment, tax audit provisions, trust. So these were the basic questions they have asked and not in-depth questions. So do keep this in mind. The difficulty level is easy to moderate and not extreme difficult. Like that you have to prepare. Then 6 questions were asked from financial management. So in that 2 questions were from capital budgeting, 1 question each from IRR, then regulatory bodies. These regulatory bodies can be from SEBI, IRDA and all those the regulatory institutions. 1 questions were asked. Then 1 question from sources of finance and 1 question from stock related to stock market is asked under financial management category. Then again 6 questions were asked from Companies Act. So in that 3 questions were basics Companies Act question, then 1 question each from issue of preference shares and registered office question. So like this 6 questions from Companies Act were asked in your last year paper. Then 4 questions were asked from audit. In that 1 question each from audit of PSUs, auditors related provisions, then 1 question from Caro and 1 question was there regarding fraud provision in Companies Act. Like that questions from audit were asked. Then from GST also 4 questions were asked. In that basic GST related questions were 3 and 1 question related to exemption limit. So like this 4 questions were asked from GST topic and 2 questions were there from Customs Act. In that 1 question related to custom duty and 1 question is related to section name. So like this all topics were covered in your last year paper. And if you want to prepare for your ONGC for this year, as I mentioned earlier, you can visit Finance MCQ website and their entire technical syllabus which is of 18 marks is covered by us, and you can use the coupon code and get ₹100 off on the course. So do avail this opportunity and check the ONGC course on Finance MCQ website. So friend, like this total 80 marks was covered as a technical syllabus in the past year. And just again I'll give you highlight of that. These 4 topics were important which covered your maximum marks. In that law, accounts, costing, income tax were the major topics. So it doesn't mean that you should avoid or not study these topics, since there may chances that last year they asked more questions from law, the chances can this year they can ask from Companies Act, financial management or from GST topics. So you have to give equal weightage and you can prepare all these topics on Finance MCQ website. So this is your entire technical syllabus questions from different topics which were asked in your last examination. I hope that this analysis will help you in your preparation and decide the time you want to give to particular topic and will help you in your preparation. So I hope you find this information useful, and if you have any questions regarding ONGC syllabus or ONGC course available on Finance MCQ website, you can write down in the comment section. I will try to answer them, and do check the ONGC course available on Finance MCQ website. The link is given in the description. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.